guys, we're at Northern Tools. I so happen to get some equipment stuff, and this gentleman here stopped me and asked me, what about this t-shirt of yours, True Earth? He says, oh, I've been buying this stuff. So his name is Robert. I'm gonna let you, Robert, tell us what you think.
Yes, I've been buying True Earth now for about 6 months, and I can truly say it truly works. Put it on everything I got growing in my yard, including my potted plants, inside and outside, and it makes a world of a difference. We had a pretty bad winter here this past winter in Savannah, and I lost a lot of plants. I had a lot of plants that were suffering from cold damage, and I started using this, and the plant immediately started putting on leaves and putting out new growth. And it's been like that ever since I started using it, and I'm really happy with the product.
Well, Robert, I appreciate you stopping me. It's unusual that you get hey, what about this? And I like to share my experience with people, and I appreciate you buying True Earth and using it and pass the word around.
Thank you.